Hey violins, so we learned just a little bit of number 162 Shepherd's Hay today. That, by the way, is our next belt song for everybody. That's going to be the red belt. So be aware that that's something you need to do. Violas and cellos and basses, if you're watching this video, I'll make a separate one for you guys because your stuff is pretty much totally different. This one's all for the violins and learning how to play these E string notes and play a cool tune with them. So the first thing I'd encourage you to do is go through and simply say the names of the notes. And if that's really hard for you, you can write them in right now. That's okay. So if I look at Shepherd's Hay, in the first measure I see F sharp, G, A, F sharp. That measure, by the way, happens 1, 2, 3 times in this song, you might notice. So if you get that measure down, it's then going to be really handy because you have to play it 2 more times. You already know like 3 out of the 8 measures in the song. So let's try that. F sharp is first finger, G is low 2, A is third finger on the tape, and then I go back to F sharp, so I'm going to pick up 2 fingers and go back to just 1. So it should sound like this. And I'm going super duper slow right now, and that is totally okay. You want to get those fingers in the right place. Nice. All right, so practice that a few times. And then I would do this in sections of 2 measures. So measure 1 and 2 together. I have F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, G. Go ahead and practice that a couple times in a row. Then measure 3 and 4. F sharp, G, A, F sharp, E, A. All right. Then measure 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 kind of all go together. So like the second half of the song, I'd probably practice as 1. So again, I've got those 8th notes that I've learned. F sharp, G, A, F sharp, then G. And then notice F sharp to G is slurred together. So 2 notes in 1 bow. And then my last 3 notes, I have high A, open A, and then third finger D. And then there is a rest and a lift and a repeat, and we do it all over again. So let me play the whole thing through for you. I'll go at a fairly slow tempo still, just so you can get the gist of how the whole thing should go. Repeat. And that is Shepherd's Hay. Happy practicing.